Ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch? Or how Siri understands your commands? It's not magic. It's artificial intelligence. Let's unravel how AI works in the simplest way possible. In today's video, we'll break down the basics of AI, what it is, how it works, and how it powers the tools we use every day. No technical jargon, just clear and simple concepts that anyone can understand. Ready? Let's dive in. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about making machines think and learn like humans. Think of AI as the art of teaching computers to recognize patterns in data. For example, when you upload a photo on Facebook, AI identifies faces. How? It's been trained to recognize patterns, like the shape of your nose or the distance between your eyes. Machine learning is the most common way we teach AI. Think of it like teaching a kid with flashcards. Show the AI 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs, and it starts recognizing which is which. There are two main ways this training happens. Supervised learning. We give the AI the correct answers during training, like saying, "This is a cat." Unsupervised learning. The AI is left to figure things out on its own. Now, let's talk about neural networks. These are computer systems inspired by the way our brains work. Imagine layers of tiny decision makers working together to make sense of data. Deep learning takes this a step further with more layers, allowing AI to tackle incredibly complex tasks like generating realistic images or understanding natural language. AI isn't just about theory. It's everywhere. Tesla's self-driving cars use AI to detect roads and traffic. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri understand your voice with AI. Even in healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases faster. Simply put, AI is transforming our world one step at a time. So, AI is all about recognizing patterns, learning from data, and solving problems just like us, but faster. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI's fascinating world, hit the like button, subscribe to AI Nexus, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.